Hello and welcome to day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas cookies in Black Cat Kitchen. I'm Daniela and today we're making ginger cookies. These are crispy on the outside with a soft center and they are so gingery. Leave them out for Santa Claus or eat them yourself. Let's get into the recipe.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. To our mixing bowl goes 175 grams or 3/4 cups of salted softened butter. You'll want to beat this for about 2 minutes until it's really soft and starting to go pale and creamy. You can also do this recipe with a hand mixer or by hand. Once your butter is this beautiful pale yellow, you can add in your sugars. In goes 125 grams or half a cup of granulated sugar and 225 grams, 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm using dark brown sugar because I really love the rich flavor it gives these cookies. If you have anything sticking to the sides of your bowl, make sure to scrape it down. To our butter and sugar mix, we're adding 1 egg and 8 grams or 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Once completely combined, set it aside. To 275 grams or 2 1/4 cups of plain or all-purpose flour, add 4 grams, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 11 grams or 4 tablespoons of ground ginger, 8 grams or 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon, and 0.5 grams or half a teaspoon of cloves. Now give that a quick whisk so it's all combined before we add it to our butter mix. Mix your dry and wet ingredients together until it forms a firm but slightly sticky dough. I like to scoop my biscuits using a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop, but if you wanted even more cookies, you could cut them in half and make them smaller. They do tend to spread when they bake, so make sure to give them plenty of room. These are going to chill for about 20 minutes.
While our biscuits are chilling, let's preheat our oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit.
And because freshly baked cookies are the best, I like to freeze my dough while it's raw so I can pull them out of the freezer and pop them straight into the oven.
This is the perfect solution if you have any last-minute guests popping over. Just take the cookies from the freezer, put them on a lined baking sheet, and bake them from frozen for 15 minutes.
I pop the tray in the freezer, and once they're frozen solid, I transfer them over to a plastic bag with the name of the cookies and the bake time on them.
These are going to bake for 12 minutes.
These chewy, crackly cookies just need a few minutes to cool before you take a bite.
If you missed days 1 and 2, make sure to check out my cookie playlist here and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the rest of them. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.